Today, we're ranking the best espresso machine for latte art across 5 options, from compact starter machines to a feature-rich setup that helps you master silky microfoam. If something catches your eye, you can explore it further through the links in the video description. Let's get into it. In 5th place, we have the IMUSA 4-cup espresso and cappuccino maker. This petite, lightweight unit is designed for practice and repetition, which is exactly what latte art beginners need. It brews up to 4 cups and includes a removable tank along with a built-in milk frother, so you can pull a shot and then steam milk without juggling extra gear. The permanent filter is a thoughtful touch that keeps recurring costs down and reduces waste from disposable filters. If you're working in a tight kitchen or want to store the machine between sessions, its compact footprint and 4.62-pound weight make it easy. As for caveats, some users struggle with crema at first, though dialing in the grind typically improves results. It's also fully manual with no auto-off, so you'll need to unplug it after use, and there are notes about the on-off control design and the heating chamber cycling when empty. So a little extra attention to operation goes a long way here. Coming in at number 4 is the Chefman CraftBrew Espresso Machine. With a powerful 15-bar pump, it brings enough pressure to produce a flavorful, well-textured espresso base, critical for contrast and definition in latte art. The built-in steam rod makes milk frothing straightforward, and the touch control panel lets you customize shot volume and brew times, helping you learn how different variables affect pourability and microfoam quality. A 1.8-liter removable water tank keeps refills simple, and the stainless steel finish will fit nicely in modern kitchens or office setups. On the flip side, some users report overheating across multiple back-to-back shots, which can slow down a round of drinks for guests. There's also room to improve overall satisfaction based on user feedback, and despite its decent capacity, the compact design may feel limiting if you often brew in larger batches. Still, for home or office users who want a clean look and easy controls, it's a friendly step into latte art. At number 3, you'll find the CHULUX Slim Espresso Machine. This pick prioritizes speed and steam performance with a professional 20-bar Italian pump and a 1350-watt boiler that preheats in about 30 seconds. Great when you want to jump right into stretching milk for a morning latte. The powerful steam rod is tuned for rich microfoam, helping you get that glossy, paint-like texture for pouring hearts and rosettas. Despite its small size, the 40-ounce water tank reduces the frequency of refills, and its small footprint means it fits comfortably on most counters. There are trade-offs to consider. Some users report noticeable noise during operation and durability concerns with certain components like the plastic lever for the cup holder. Expect a learning curve as you practice frothing technique to nail consistent microfoam. But if you're after cafe-style drinks at home and want a fast warm-up with strong steam performance, this is an appealing, value-oriented choice. Taking the second spot is the Spacekey 20-bar espresso machine. If your latte art practice hinges on repeatable extraction and velvety milk, this machine's 20-bar pressure system and smart pre-soak stand out. The pre-soak evenly wets the coffee bed before full pressure ramps up, which can help with more balanced flavor extraction and a steadier crema canvas for art. It heats in roughly 45 seconds, and the adjustable steam rod offers the control you need to experiment with milk texture for lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos. Despite its compact size, the 39-ounce water tank reduces the frequency of refills, and its small footprint means it fits comfortably on most counters. For downsides, documentation can be light on detail, which may leave first-time users doing a bit of trial and error. There's also a learning curve for optimizing milk frothing, and the 39-ounce water tank could mean more frequent refills if you're making drinks for a crowd. Overall, it's a strong option for committed home baristas who want fine-tuned results. And finally, at number 1, the DeLonghi La Specialista Arte Evo Espresso Machine. This is the pick for aspiring latte artists who want an integrated workflow that helps them develop skill. An integrated conical burr grinder with 8 settings lets you dial in dose and grind size, while a 15-bar Italian pump provides consistent brewing pressure. Active temperature control stabilizes water temperature for more predictable extraction, so your espresso base remains reliable as you refine your pours. You also get 4 preset recipes, including espresso, Americano, and even cold brew in under 5 minutes to accommodate different routines. The steam rod heats quickly and is capable of producing smooth microfoam, and the included professional barista kit supports hands-on learning. As with many enthusiast machines, there's a learning curve to find the sweet spot in grind and dosing, and a few reports of malfunctions underscore the importance of quality control. It's positioned as a premium machine, but for those focused on mastering technique, the feature set and user-friendly design make it a compelling top choice. To recap, the IMUSA 4-Cup is a compact, beginner-friendly practice partner. Chefman's CraftBrew adds touch controls and a 15-bar pump. CHULUX delivers quick heat-up and strong steam in a slim frame. Spacekey pairs 20-bar pressure with smart pre-soak, and DeLonghi's Specialista Arte Evo tops the list with an integrated grinder, temperature control, and a barista-oriented toolkit. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future guides. You'll find all the product links and further details in the description below.